self-quarantine has made me kind of lazy. So in this video, I'm going to do a do-it-yourself pedicure at home with gel nails, and I'm also going to do a herbal detox for dry, cracked skin. Hey now, before we get started, make sure you subscribe here to my channel, and once you subscribe, be sure to click that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. So yeah, let's get into it. Now, I know my feet look crazy. It's been about 3 weeks since I've had my last pedicure, and I'm in Vegas. It's so dry, so dry out here. So in this video, we are going to do a herbal pedicure, you guys. I'm so excited about this. So we're going to start off doing the dry version of this pedicure, and by the dry version of this pedicure, I mean we're not soaking first. At this point, I want to make sure I get all of the dead skin, as much as I possibly can, off, because the herbs are going to infuse and do this magical thing, you know. So I'll be back.
Yeah. I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes looking far back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car, when we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
So please remember, this is like our quick and easy quarantine do-it-yourself. So I know you're supposed to use, a certain type of tool. Most people use certain tools, but in this case, I'm just using the cuticle remover because I already have it in my hand. I remember whenever I was in cosmetology school, I left some of the stuff in my kit at home, and I used this to get my stuff off my heels, and it's just worked for me. Okay, I'm not saying use this instead. That's not what I'm saying. This is just what I do. We on quarantine. I didn't feel like getting up, so this is what we did. Okay, so I am getting all of the extra dead skin off. I promise y'all, I am not dusty. My last pedicure was 3 weeks ago, but Vegas is completely dry, like completely dry. There's no moisture in the air, and I feel like my skin just grows extra layers. So we're getting it off. I just wanted to say that.
Baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris, make some
times we'll cherish.
Maybe there's
no comparing to you.
Don't need
Keisha, Karen,
don't want
Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. 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 Yeah.
You's a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls compare to you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair.
All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you.
No,
They got nothing on you.
they got nothing.
All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute.
You know you're cute.
Girl, you know you cute.
You know you're cute.
Girl, you know you cute.
Yeah.
Girl, you know you cute.
So the herbs have been soaking for about 15 minutes, which also allowed the water to cool down. Make sure you double check and make sure that the water is not too hot for you. But after as much of my dead skin has been removed as possible, I am going to go ahead, put my feet in here, cover with 2 tiles just to insulate everything, and then I'm going to sit here for 15 minutes while I sip some tea, you know, and read a couple ebooks and stuff. So now that time has passed and it's time to, you know, get back to it. Like I said, I soaked for about 15 minutes, and now I'm just shaving the extra little hairs off my toes and things like that. But I'm just going back and forth in between this herbal foot bath. You guys, make sure you check out my website, because on my website there will be a blog post about all of these herbs and all of the directions, the measurements, and everything that all of these powerful herbs are doing to my feet and can do to yours. Yes, so you guys just keep watching. Oh my god, by the way, I love this stone. Make sure you get you one, because it put the final finishing touches. But you guys are going to notice that I'm going to push my cuticles up one last time, because this soak actually pulled extra dead skin. As much dead skin as you saw me pull off, this soak pulled some extra out. Okay,
Hey, yo, chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag. Yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act. Yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang, girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressed to kill with it. Way you breaking them necks, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Guns on sight, and she know that she a little bad. Hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Shawty, you bad and you know it. I'ma say less, let me show it.
You can be my queen if that's fine with you. Maybe I'm just trying to spend time with you. Stepping out with your girlfriend. And you got work in the morning. I pull up on you like Jordan, just to show you gorgeous. God ain't cutting no corners. So let me know what's up. Playing hard to get. Why you acting tough? Got me cracking up. Gets me every time, yeah. I see it in your eyes. Girl, it's on sight, and she know that. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah.
Yo, this that new Jay Sean?
Day one, day one. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one, same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one, day one. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Company, how you still a 10 but the one for me? You get off at 6, you should come vibe. Play your favorite song, singing all of me. I'm just tryna build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather. When the sun goes down, I'll still be around for you. Here for all of that, yeah, yeah. Know I got you back, yeah, yeah. You my right hand, but I ring the match. On your left hand, you my better half. Lost in your love and I can't get back now. Fight for your heart and I will not back down. Baby, won't you come with me? I'm just tryna chill, I'm just tryna live with my day one, day one. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one, same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need.